Hello and welcome to the Industry and Exchange Network's Showcase website. We're proud to present to you our final project and the work that we've successfully achieved over the past semester. The team comprises of myself, Alex Charles, who was team leader for this project. My main roles were around development of the project and also project management of the team. Phoebe Starb headed up our research and also was key in front-end development, and Fio Giovanni headed up our report writing and testing of the website. To talk a bit more about the client, the Industry Exchange Network was created by UCL and is an educational methodology that enables computer science students to engage in real-world problems through connecting their projects with industry partners. Therefore, the objective of the website is to attract new potential partners and display some of the fantastic work that UCL computer science students have got involved with. The requirements for the project were, therefore, to create a highly polished, responsive user interface website, which displayed some fantastic work that had been going on, as well as making it very clear what the IXN is about and how they can get in contact with its members. So, how was this achieved? We just chose a system architecture that took the best and the latest of modern web technologies, revolving around the WordPress content management system. A common and popular framework for creating professional WordPress applications is the Roots.io framework, comprising of Trellis, Bedrock, and Sage. Trellis is a LEMP stack server provisioning tool that allows you to create a local development sandbox environment, as well as provision production servers such as on Azure. Bedrock was used as a flavor of WordPress, which incorporates a MariaDB database, Nginx server and PHP app server together to allow a user to be able to upload and update content through an admin panel, which will then be displayed on the main website without a single line of code being touched. This is one of the key reasons why WordPress was chosen in the first place. Finally, Sage was used as a starter template theme, which incorporated Webpack, Yarn, and NPM, which were development tools helping to optimize all the code that was written to make it as fast and flexible on the front end as possible. I now want to pass you over to Phoebe Starb, who's going to talk more about the front end and back end work that was completed.
Thank you, Alex. Well done. So for the front end of our site, we followed an iterative agile build cycle, where after fully designing the UI of the site for both web and mobile on Sketch, the program allowed us to export some CSS code, which we moved over to CodePen. Here, HTML, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4 were incorporated in order to construct each part of the site, which was then fully integrated into the site's template on the local development environment. Subsequently, all of the code was modified using text editors such as Atom or Sublime. Using the Sage starter theme, we were able to see updates in the front-end code in real time via browser sync. For the back end of our site, PHP, a server-side scripting language, was used to query our MariaDB database. Blade by Laravel, a templating engine, was used in conjunction with PHP, as it employs some useful concepts such as template inheritance and sections. PHP was then strategically embedded into HTML, and thus content uploaded via WordPress could update the database. And as Alex said earlier, allowing the administrator to easily modify the site's content without having to append HTML code. After the site development was complete, it was deployed onto a production server via Microsoft Azure. And now I'm going to pass you over to Giovanni, who's going to tell you about some of the key achievements.
Let's take a look at the main features of the IXN website. Here we encounter the main page of the website. We can scroll down to see the Who We Are section with the contact information of our two managers displayed there. We can scroll down and encounter a What We Do section with a video explaining the process of interaction between students and industry exponents. Here we can encounter 3 interactive icons, a How It Works slider, which is fully responsive and explains the steps taken by the industry exponents to get their ventures done by UCL students. The Sum of Our Projects section, which is the most important one, is displayed below here. And we'll come back to this later. The latest news section is shown here, the events section here, and a Contact Us section. Our main partners are displayed at the bottom of the page. Let's take a look at the Projects section. See more projects, and we can now see that we can filter between web, mobile, and health apps. Let's take mobile as an example. Let's open this habit cookbook, and here we can see how the application works and a short video on it. Let's now see the achievements of our team. Our team created a fully responsive and functioning, well-designed website. We included all the functionalities required by our client, and we improved our programming skills throughout the building of the website. We understood the importance and collaboration of teamwork in such projects, and so thank you very much for listening. I hope you've enjoyed our website.